Macy, Cherub, and Diab,
Objection.
also known as
relevance.
legal helpers?
No.
Okay, you ever see legal helpers advertisements on the L? Bankruptcy, $500, legal helpers?
No.
Okay. This is a newsletter that Legal Helpers sends to its clients. And this newsletter is winter of 2001. And on the back, it says, Legal Helpers is committed to helping clients reestablish credit. Legal Helpers, Macy, Chern, and Diab not only help clients obtain debt relief, because they file bankruptcies for people, but also is one of the few firms that assist their clients in finding lenders that are willing to extend credit to debtors after the bankruptcy is complete, which is, of course, consistent with what Tonya said, which is that you buy lists of sevens. Below is a list of mortgage brokers and car dealerships that we have found helpful to our past clients, and then Gateway is listed there, right?
Yes.
And that's Gateway's phone number, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it says call Scott, who's probably Scott Falcone, the ex-finance manager at Gateway, correct?
I'm not sure. I believe so.
Okay.
I'm just going to object to any questions on this because it's not relevant. But
Well, it is
also-
relevant. It says that Legal Helpers assist their clients in finding lenders that are willing to extend credit for car loans, and then Gateway is listed as one of the lenders that are committed to helping clients reestablish credit. And he's saying that they are not a lender in any way, shape, or form, but they have an arrangement with Legal Helpers to get these referrals for recently discharged bankruptcy people, where Gateway is specifically characterized as a lender that's willing to extend credit. So it's clearly relevant, counsel. I mean, the weight of it is certainly for the fact finder, but you know, whether Gateway has knowledge or an arrangement with Legal Helpers for referral fees or kickbacks is something that we'll have to get discovery on. Whether Legal Helpers is doing this on their own or with the knowledge of Gateway is certainly a fact that we'll have to get in discovery and develop a little further. But the important point here is that Gateway is listed as a lender.
Well,
And that's
I mean,
directly
that's-
relevant to your position, which is that Gateway is not a lender. So it's relevant.
First of all,
relevant.
let's mark this as number 4, so
Okay.
we've got it on the record. And I just object on the basis of relevance. It doesn't deal with any claim. in this
It does deal with the claim. Your position is that Gateway is not a lender. You specifically say Gateway is not, does not participate in the decision, and that Gateway does not make loans.
Go ahead and
And
ask
this
your question.
identifies Gateway as a lender. And if Gateway has knowledge of the fact that and authorized the fact that this law firm is holding them out as a lender is relevant.
Well, go
just
ahead and
wanna
ask him any
clarify.
question that you want to ask him.
Well, I'm gonna, but I just want to establish for you that this is clearly very relevant. One second. Do you know that, have you ever seen this before?
I told you no.
Okay, are you familiar with anyone that's come in through this referral program?
No.
Okay. Now, this is, back to this Exhibit 2, Christian's letter says, hello, my name is Christian Gritsky, and I am one of the credit specialists here at Gateway. I have received notification that your bankruptcy has been discharged. Do you know why Christian would receive notification that Ms. Thompson's bankruptcy, this is Ms. Brooks, I'm sorry, that Ms. Sunder Brooks's bankruptcy has been discharged?
No.
And then it says it is important for you to know that we have resources to get you financed on newer pre-driven vehicle right now. All you have to do is call me, Christian, at 773-631-9000. Enclosed, you will find your pre-approval certificate, which ensures your opportunity for an automotive loan. What resources does Gateway have to get consumers financed now?
Objection. Relevance. Go ahead and answer.
I think we already talked about it. That's numbers of banks that we do business with.
That's it? You do, well, all auto dealers have a number of banks they do business with, right?
Yes.
So what resources does Gateway have?
We have a number of banks that we do business with.
That's not what you say. You don't say we have a number of banks. You say we have resources to get you financed now. That's even underlined, right?
First of all, I didn't say that. You're
Gateway.
saying that, okay. But I see it as a Christian statement. It's not Gateway statement still. But
Well, it's Christian who's, it's on Gateway letterhead, and it's signed by Christian Credit Specialist, right?
right.
And it says it right here, be prepared to take delivery of your new vehicle, right?
Yes.
And it says we'll get you financed now, and now is underlined, right?
Yes.
And it says that there's a pre-approval certificate, right?
Correct.
which would imply to the consumer that they've already been approved, right?
Pre-approved.
Pre-approved, which means that they've already been approved before even going to the dealership. They've been pre-approved, correct?
Correct.
And then the pre-approval certificate, this is another one, 88824 Auto Loan. Have you ever heard of this company?
Never heard of.
Okay, well, this is the pre-approval certificate that came with the Sundra Brooks solicitation. We had marked it as Honda Exhibit Number 1. And once again, it says, please contact your loan specialist, Eric Green. He's a finance manager, right?
Finance director, yes.
And Mario Torciali, he's a sales manager, right?
GM.
He's the general manager? When did he become the general manager?
Quite some time. Oh,
About 8 months ago?
probably something like that.
When Scott Falcone left? And all those other people left?
Correct.
Okay, what was what happened 8 months ago? What kind of shakeup was there?
Objection, relevance. Also, I'm going to object to the questions on this letter as not being relevant to this case.
It's clearly